Hi guys, so for today's video, I will show you how to wrap wedding gift step-by-step process. So, meron tayong gift dito guys at ibibigay natin to sa ating kapitbahay kasi wedding nila this coming Wednesday. So today, I will show you how to wrap step-by-step process. So, we need of course, wedding wrapper. One piece of wedding wrapper. Then we start now, like we need to cover it, the box. Then we need scotch tape. Then super easy lang siya guys. To be honest, I most do this when I was working every Saturday. I wrap many gaps. More on pinaka-duty is only 5 gaps and Saturday, but usually is I wrap 15 gaps and more every Saturday. So now I can show you how to do it. So after mo siya malagyan ng scotch tape dito guys, so i-make sure mo siya na dumikit talaga yung scotch tape na nilagay mo. Then dito naman sa kabila. So I can suggest you guys, if you want to give gifts to your friends, to your family, I can suggest that much better if you buy items that already has box, kasi mas maganda siya tingnan guys kapag nasa box yung gift mo at easy lang siya i-wrap. Then if ever naman if you use paper bag, it's nice naman guys, but for me no, I prefer this box kasi mas maganda siya tingnan after. So it's up to you lang guys, but this video, I make this video for you guys that hoping that you can learn even small ideas and how to make or how to wrap this. Then medyo mahaba talaga yung wrapper natin today guys, so kailangan natin siya i-cut. Then after mo siya mag-cut, dapat naman din mag-level yung cutting guys. So dito naman guys is kailangan natin ng tupiin na paganyan. Then after mo siya matupi, then lagyan mo siya ng scotch tape para hindi siya matanggal. So sobrang liit pala yung scotch tape na nabili ko guys, kaya medyo nahirapan tayo sa scotch tape. So ito po yung next guys. So ganito siya. Yan. Mas maganda siya guys kapag level yung pagtupin mo sa wrapper. Then ganyan. Then next is lagyan mo ng scotch tape para hindi siya matanggal. So sa kabila naman guys is same process lang siya guys. I-cutting natin kasi medyo mahaba yung wrapper. Then same process lang siya guys. So now, natapos na natin siya balutin guys. So next is maglagay na tayo ng ribbon. So ganito ako maglagay ng ribbon guys. Pero mas maganda kapag plastic ribbon yung ginagamit nyo guys, kaysa nitong satin. Kasi medyo mahirap guys kasi hindi siya masyadong dumikit. So ayan na guys, tapos na natin siya nalagyan ng ribbon. Then lagyan na din natin ng card, parang address card guys. So dito na siya ilagay.